Welcome back. In today's tech tip, I'll be showing you how to turn captions on or off on your TCL Google TV. So what you want to do is go to settings. You can either press the settings button on your remote or just navigate the way I've shown you. And on the settings page, go to system, select that. Under system, you should see accessibility. Select that. And at the top of the accessibility options, you should see captions. So select that and then you choose the type of captions. Currently, I only have streaming and other content. I'll select that and then I'll choose to turn on by selecting display or turning on the toggle button next to display. And you can see an example of what the captions will look like down there. Okay. And then to turn off, disable that toggle button. Now with the captions on, you can change a few things. Okay, you can change the language, text size, the caption style, or you can even select your own custom style for captions. But that is basically how to turn captions on or off on your TCL Google TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.